Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin around. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from your Arculus wallet to Binance. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. It's user-friendly and secure, which is why it's a popular choice. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your balance right there. Exciting, right? Next, head over to the Send or Withdraw section. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, you need to get your deposit address from Binance. Open the Binance app or website, go to your wallet, select Bitcoin, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always use the QR code or copy it directly to avoid any typos that could send your Bitcoin into the void. Now, back in Arculus, paste that Binance address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, Bitcoin transactions are faster, but fees can still vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. You'll get a confirmation on your screen. Keep an eye on it. Head back to Binance and refresh your wallet. Your Bitcoin should appear shortly, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips: always verify the address to prevent scams, and consider the current market conditions before transferring. If you're new, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've just transferred Bitcoin from Arculus to Binance like a pro. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.